Charlie. I play for the Waikato Women's NPC team and the New Zealand Black Ferns. I support the Not So Superannuation campaign and I'm saving for my retirement.
Hi there, I'm David Fox from the Waikato Rugby Union and welcome to my backyard here at Waikato Stadium. I'm a great supporter of these young students and support their campaign on support the Not So Superannuation campaign. I think it's a great thing what they're trying to achieve, especially for people around my age. I recommend to anybody in their 40s and 50s to put money away now and start saving hard. If you've got an opportunity to start buying a house and getting together some assets, please do so. I wish you all the best with your efforts and please support these young students. Thanks very much.
On fire, yeah, that's the way I've been. I'm frozen by desire, no need to leave. Where would I be if this were to go under? That's the risk I take. I'm frozen by desire.